Hello, everybody, and welcome back to 592 Backyard Gardens. Today, let's uncover the profound wisdom embedded in farm life. Amidst the rustle of leaves and the crowing of roosters, the farm becomes a classroom for invaluable life lessons. Raising layers extend beyond routine. It's a transformative journey teaching us responsibility, routine, and the cyclical nature of life. Life on the farm connects us to nature's rhythm, instilling discipline through daily tasks, emphasizing the consistency vital for our success. Caring for layers fosters a sense of responsibility, promoting empathy and awareness of our interconnectedness. In the simplicity of farm life, we discover the richness of basic elements such as hard work, routine, responsibility, and the beauty of nature's cycles. Let's cherish these farm-taught lessons, carry them into our lives, and embrace the enriching simplicity that guides us towards a more fulfilling and balanced existence. Keep tending to your flock, keep learning, and let the farm be your compass to a harmonious life. Remember to like, share, comment, and follow for more. We're Guyanese, you're Guyanese. If we can do it, so can you.